We are in Sheba Medical Center. This is the largest hospital in Israel for sure, and probably in the Middle East. We are doing altogether about 1,400 open heart cases. So very extensive program, definitely largest in Israel. And I think we're operating most difficult patients. About 2 weeks ago, we implanted Karma, total artificial heart. We were very pleased and surprised even with performance of total artificial heart. This is maybe most interesting for me. Base of our department, we have several startup companies. First of all, InnoValve. It's a mitral valve, can be implanted in catheterization technique. And I am personally involved in the left atrial appendage closure system append company. Also, we did more than 20 patients in Europe. We have an ARC and a special division of Sheba that works with us and really gives us very good environment, and Sheba strongly supports it. It's very interesting that we can develop new techniques to help the patients and also develop new devices. And this is really interesting and amazing.